Welcome back. Today we're making Hobby Lobby inspired projects using 3 DollarTree galvanized planters. I'm going to use acetone to remove the words from the galvanized bucket. With all the wording gone, I'm using a Crafter Square stencil to apply white apple barrel matte paint to the bucket. I'm going to go ahead and glue these beads together that I want to use as the legs. I'm going to add one more block to each stack so that I have 3 blocks. I'm using this metallic rose gold marker. I'm going to go around the edge and the bottom of the galvanized bucket just for a little accent. Foxtail, a Strebe, and Dusty Miller added for nice spring greenery. Okay, it was kind of hard getting the sticker off. I had to use a bit of Goo Gone and go over several passes, but that's all gone now. So I'm going to use this. I love this pattern and I want to have it on the front of this planter. These faceted gems look like they look like studs, and you can use them on footwear, tech, sunglasses. I found these at Dollar Tree, and they came with their own super glue. So I want to add some here and maybe some here in the middle, in between where the stencils were. colors of succulents that I want to go ahead and add inside, and then hang this up and have a look at it. I love it. I love it. This looks so good. I really love this metal with the patterns and the gold studs, the succulents, all of it. I love this project. I started by taping off areas of this oblong planter that I wanted to stay silver. Next, I applied apple barrel matte white to the untaped portion of the planter. And the brain teaser game blocks that I'm using as the legs get painted as well. I'm going to use lavender sachet. I'm going to add this middle stencil. And to fill this planter, I have various pieces of frosted floral from Dollar Tree that I want to use, including this new one I found, lamb's ear. And so I'm going to just add my floral foam and then start inserting my florals. All the florals have been added, and I put a bit of Spanish moss in here, and I left a little gap in the front because I have some items that I want to add in. I want it to be a little more interesting than just florals in a planter. I have this white gnome. I spray painted this white. This is a Dollar Tree colorful gnome. And I'm not sure what item I want to have in here. I really like the gnome. He's so adorable. The neutralness of the white against the green and the lavender and purples looks really nice. I also have little fairy house, the teapot, so cute. And I have a small fairy garden bench and a little bunny. So that's a possibility too. I'm not sure which one I want. These all turned out so great. I'm inspired to customize more planters for spring, summer. Thanks for watching.